Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 6th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the dollar again, I mean, we still have not been able to make it a golfing move up, so the trend is definitely still down on all these higher time frames. Now, we have non-farm payroll news coming out today, and that definitely seems like it would be something that could cause this to go up. I mean, it definitely looks like a potential 1, 2, 3 pattern forming, which may go all the way back up to these highs before it continues down. So I would definitely keep an eye on this structure level to see if it does end up breaking structure and then making a pullback to go long, or if it just rejects structure and just continues the prevailing downtrend that are on all these higher time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here, but I do think there's a chance it might break the high. We are at the 78% right now. So if it does make like a nice big engulfing down, you could definitely try a sorting opportunity there and see if it does end up continuing the downtrend. On the other hand, if it does take out this high, like I mentioned on the daily, then what I would do is I would wait for it to take out the high, and then I would wait for a three-way pullback, and then I would go long at the end of the three-way pullback. It's a much safer way to do it because at these big news events, oftentimes price can break structure, everybody goes long, and then it rejects structure and just keeps on going down. So if you wait for the break and then wait for the pullback, that's a much safer way to do it. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.